Hello. The reason for this documentary is to talk about endangered species, sea turtles for being more specific. So let's know more about them.
Marine turtles are one of the Earth's most ancient creatures. The 7 species that can be found today have been around for 110 million years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Unlike other turtles, marine turtles cannot retract their legs and head into their shells. Their color varies between yellow, greenish, and black depending on the species. So, what do they eat? What sea turtles eat depends on the subspecies, but some common items include jellyfish, seaweed, crabs, shrimp, sponges, snails, algae, and mollusks. Range. Marine turtles are found in all warm and temperate waters throughout the world and migrate hundreds of miles between nesting and feeding grounds. They spend 99% of their lives in the water, many doing migration that could take thousands of miles. Reproduction. Temperature. Temperatures of the sun where the turtles nest determine the sex of the turtle. Below 85 degrees Fahrenheit is predominantly male. Above 85 degrees Fahrenheit is predominantly female. Mating season from March to October, depending on the species. Gestation from 6 to 10 weeks. Clutch size between 70 to 190 eggs, depending on the species. When the young hatch out of their eggs, they make their way to the ocean. Few survive to adulthood. Interesting, right? And now that we know more about sea turtles, why are they endangered species? The World Conservation Union has identified 5 major hazards to sea turtles. Fisheries. Sea turtles virtually everywhere are affected by fisheries, especially long lines, gill nets, and trawls. Direct take. Sea turtles and their eggs are killed by people throughout the world for food and for products, including oil. Coastal development. Sea turtles' habitats are degraded and destroyed by coastal development. Pollution. Plastics, discarded fishing gear, petroleum byproducts, and other debris harm and kill sea turtles through ingestion and entanglement. Climate change. Climate change will increase the frequency of extreme weather events, result in loss of nesting beaches, and cause other alterations to critical sea turtles' habitat and basic oceanographic processes. These are basically the facts why sea turtles are being affected by humans. But to know even more, I interviewed someone with interesting information.
Okay, now I'm going to interview to Mitzi Apolinar. She studies marine biology at the Universidad Autónoma del Carmen, and she's going to give me more information about sea turtles, how they are affected in Ciudad del Carmen.
Los recursos marinos están en peligro de extinción. Así es, mira, como saben, existen 8 especies en el mundo de tortugas marinas, por lo tanto, las cuales la isla de Cisnes, perdón, y la Filipa que tenemos aquí en México, se encuentran en esta categoría. Es muy lamentable este hecho, la verdad. ¿Cuántas especies están en Ciudad del Carmen específicamente? que separe este daño que nos estamos haciendo. ¿Qué podría ser? Yo creo que mantenernos informados es como prioridad, saber realmente cuál es el tema, ¿no? Porque muchas veces, pues nada más decimos, ¿no? Pues lo atacaron, pero en realidad no siempre es así, ¿no? Como te mencionaba, la peste incidental es una de las causas principales. Entonces yo creo que hay que acercarnos a las dependencias del gobierno, tales como la CONAF o la CONAF, que pues son las que manejan a las tortugas marinas, ¿no? Y saben cuáles son realmente el movimiento. Entonces yo creo que estar informados, acercarnos a preguntar y luego difundir esta información sería lo más recomendable para nosotros como estudiantes.
Para ello necesitamos voluntarios.
Exactamente.
Existen asociaciones aquí en Ciudad del Carmen, serían las tortugas marinas o especies marinas.
Claro que sí, está la Comisión Nacional de Áreas Naturales Protegidas, la CONAF, que está encargada de hecho de dos campamentos que se encuentran en Tlahuada y se encuentran en Chencán, cerca de San Potón. Ahorita estamos en la temporada, que comenzó en abril y termina ahorita en septiembre, y pues ellos se encargan del manejo de las tortugas marinas, o también de aves y mamíferos marinos.
Sí. Bueno, muchísimas gracias por esta entrevista y espero que pues, ya tomamos conciencia sobre estos animalitos que son importantes para la isla.
Gracias.
How is the sea turtle situation in Ciudad del Carmen? There are 7 species of sea turtles and all of them are endangered. In our city there are 2, the white turtle and the carey turtle. How are they affected? As we know, fishing is one of the main ways of production in our island. This is why these 2 sea turtle species have been exploited for food and profit. Another issue is the net. Fishermen leave their nets in the water for 24 hours waiting to catch something. Unfortunately, marine turtles are caught in their nets and the results are terrible. As they are air-breathing creatures with lungs, they eventually drown.
So, do we have associations that help marine turtles? Of course we do. There is the CONAMP, Comisión Nacional de Áreas Naturales Protegidas, which is in charge of 2 camps, one in Isla Guada, Campeche, and another one in Chencán, near Champotón, and Semarnat, Secretaría de Medio Ambiente y Recursos Naturales.
As you could see in the video, I took the information of Mitzi Apolinar about sea turtles in Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. To truly help them, we need to share responsibilities around the world. So let's do something and make our voice heard for these animals.